Look in my eyes, you seeing victory. We ain't taking L's, death to our enemies. You see the drip on me, you cannot get with me, you cannot stop me. Sit back and watch me straight to the top. When we drop, you better join us, boy, we hot.
G'day and welcome back to Unimig. The brand new APEX TIG Series kits have arrived. Designed to fit all standard TIG torches, including sizes 9, 17 and 26, plus water-cooled torches size 20 and 18, so you can use them regardless of the torch that you've got. With gas lenses instead of collet bodies, do you get the best gas coverage there is. The wider diameter diffuser and mesh screen provide a large, turbulence-free gas flow over your entire weld. Eliminate contamination with better gas coverage. You won't need to worry about contaminating your tungsten or your weld ever again. On top of accommodating every size torch on the market, the APEX kit comes with both ceramic and quartz cups in a range of sizes, perfect for any situation. So that's the all-new APEX TIG Series kit, available in stores now.